Hey guys, welcome back. So right now it is 5 o'clock on Friday night and I'm making dinner for the family. So I sort of wish you guys could be here and I'm sort of grateful that you're not here because, like, here with me in person, because today and yesterday have been the most disgusting, sticky, humid, hot weather. Like, it's gross. So yeah, I did not really want to make anything that involved oven baking and as little cooking as possible. There's going to be just a little bit, but I'm going to be making a salad. And I thought, because I don't have a lot going on right now, I'm going to do a sort of like cook with me thing. I haven't done it before. I don't know how it's going to go, but it's just sort of like hanging out with me, and I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm making and sort of what I'm doing, although I'm not a chef, so don't follow my instructions. So yeah, I'm going to get everything out, and then I'm going to show you guys. So I was just headed out the door to go pick some fresh arugula from the garden, and I was like, wait, Brienne, you should take them with you. So I'm going out into the garden. I have my bowl with me so that I can put the fresh arugula in, and I will show you guys the garden. So this right here is the arugula, and I'm going to be picking a bunch of this. Sorry about the construction in the background. So the vegetables that I have chosen to put in the salad are fresh arugula, about a pepper and a half. We just have some here, some fresh radishes from the garden, some cauliflower. I'm not going to use all of this. Romaine lettuce, I'm also not going to use all of this because that's a lot. And some green onions. I'm still deciding whether I want to add cucumber, carrots, and stuff like that. So the first step that I'm going to be doing is basically chopping up all of these vegetables about how much I need for 5 people. And I will see you guys maybe once that happened, or I don't know when. So yeah. So I'm going to start with about this much greens because it's a pretty big bowl and there's lots in there, and I haven't added any of the extra vegetables or anything like that. So if we need more lettuce in the end, I will cut some, but this is the romaine lettuce plus the arugula from the garden. So I finished cutting the vegetables. For now, it looks gorgeous. It's like a beautiful vegetable rainbow. I used not a ton of the cauliflower. I might finish this. I'm not fully sure how much we'll do because we are adding a few other things, which I will be showing you I think that some people have a misconception that salads aren't filling enough and they can't be like a meal, you know? And that is true. It depends on the salad, however, because tonight I'm making a full salad dinner as a meal. And so I want to show you guys what type of stuff you can add and what type of stuff I'm adding to make it, you know, like a meal and satisfying, and, you know, have carbs and fats and proteins and fibers and all of that stuff, you know. So yes, we're going to be adding a few other things, which I will be showing you right away. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys these sort of like add-on things that are going to add more calories and fats and proteins and stuff like that. So here I have just a variety of things I'll be adding. First is this bacon flavored tempeh, and yes, it is vegan, as you can see right there. An avocado if anyone wants some. We're going to be having some chickpeas, some kidney beans. I'm probably going to be opening up another can of beans because this isn't enough beans for 5 people. And then I'm going to be toasting some walnuts because it'll go good with the whole salad, and it'll go good with the dressing I'm making, which of course I will show you guys. So if you guys are wondering what I'm going to do with this block of tempeh, I'm going to cut it up into relatively small pieces, and then I'm going to fry it on our non-stick pan. That way it's going to sort of be like bacon-y tempeh bacon-y tempeh bits that are going to be sort of like a crumble on top to add some more flavor and interest to the salad. So right now I have the tempeh frying and the walnuts in the toaster oven, and now I'm going to go ahead and make the dressing. And I'm going to be making, sorry about the bad lighting, I'm going to be making a walnut vinaigrette. So I thought it'd be nice because we have walnuts, toasted walnuts, and then a walnut vinaigrette. This is not my own recipe. This is a recipe I found on Pinterest. I love Pinterest for vegan recipes and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and sort of show you guys how I make that. Yes. So for the recipe, I'm going to be using a high-speed, like powered food blender. I'm going to be using Vita Prep this whatever thingy. I'm going to be using that, and because yeah, we have to blend walnuts, so you need a high-speed blender. So there you have it. I have made the salad for dinner. In the dressing, I didn't show you guys, but I added a bit of salt because it was pretty sweet. It was a bit sweeter than I expected, and I thought I would just tell you guys this. I've like roasted up the tempeh. It's really good. However, I will say, to me, it tastes like baked beans more than bacon. I can't really taste the bacon, but it's really good still. So I'm just showing you guys the salad. We have the fresh veg. We have some onions. This is sort of like the bacon, and almost like you could like say in substitute of croutons and stuff like that, but it's full of yummy stuff and nutrients. Then we have beans here, my walnut vinaigrette, and an avocado. So I hope you enjoyed cooking with me and making this beautiful salad. Hopefully it gives you guys inspiration for what to eat during summer when it's hot. If you have any questions about the recipe or stuff like that, then let me know and tell me if you guys like the cook with me videos. If so, maybe I'll do more. Please excuse how shiny my face is. It's because I'm so hot and sweaty, and that's TMI. But anyway, I will see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!